In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress site. Maybe you installed a theme, probably it not show. Like sometimes you install a theme and the theme will not be showing, like it will still be the old one that you installed from your cPanel that will be showing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress site completely, like a complete one. But before I do that, I would like to show you the main site before we come over to this place and reset, so that you see like the result of what we're about to do now. So let me quickly go to the site. Let me quickly go over to the site, and so that you see it. Let me shake this stuff here. Then let me go to the site that we are resetting is fashionalgo.com. Fashionalgo.com. Let me open it so that you see how the site looks and how it will look when I must have finished resetting it. The site is loading now. I just want to show you the site. So this is it here. This is what the site looks like, but now we'll reset the site. Let's log into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, here is it. This is our WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I'm in my plugins. All you have to do is just go to these options here. You go to your plugins, then you go to add new, like add new plugin. We are going to do this with a plugin called WP Reset. That is WordPress Reset. You get, so all you have to do is just type WP Reset here, and you see it. So you type WP Reset. Okay, when you type WP Reset, it will load and bring out list of plugins that have similar names. As you can see, it's still loading. Okay, this is it here. This is the plugin that I'll be using to reset this fashionalgo.com. Why is showing active is because I've already installed it here. You get, I've already installed it. So what you have to do is just go over to install plugins in the options here. Go over to install plugins because it has been installed already. I have installed it. Had it been I've not installed it, it will show option to install. So you locate where the WP Reset is. Okay, here is it. You go over to you click on this open WP Reset tools. Open WP Reset tools. You click on it. Okay, this is it. It's now loading, taking us to where we have to reset our site. Okay, this is the site here. This is the WP Reset page. So this is it, as you can see here. Here now, what you do is to carefully go through all these options. The ones that has this red stuff here is the one that will be deleted completely, whereas the one that is ticked good is the one that will not be deleted. You carefully go through them. Like when I mean carefully, meticulously go through all of them. You get, you just check all of them. They here you see your widgets, your current theme, and all of them. Basically, they don't normally like reset your name and like your domain name. So that's what all these things are for, as you can see here. Then this place it says here, what will happen if I reset my tools. You kindly go through all of them, like read it very well to understand and be sure of what you are going to do, because if you should go ahead and reset your site, it will go back to its default setting. You get, both the theme that it came with and everything will go back to its default setting. That's why it says here, what should happen when I reset tools, when I reset any tools. You said here, remember, always make sure a backup file or use snapshots. That's if you're not sure of if you really want to reset the WordPress site, so you can use snapshot. As you can see, there's a link. They just tap on the snapshot and it will take you to where you do that. It says you have to confirm the action one more time. See the table above to find out what will happen. So after going through all this stuff here, you now scroll down, like scroll down to this place here that it says you have to like reset current theme, reactivate current theme. Sorry, when you select this option here, it will reactivate the current theme that the site has. So you click all these options here. After clicking, you go back to this place where it says site reset, and it also says reset current theme. That's the home Elementor, which is the current theme that is on the site currently. You tick all these options, like tick everything. You get anyone that you don't tick will remain the way it is. So after ticking all of them, you now scroll down to this place here. It says type reset in the confirmation field to confirm the reset, and then click the reset word. That means you have to type in reset. Why this place is saying invalid confirmation was because I did not type that reset in this box. So for it to reset, you have to type reset in this option here, in that box. You get after typing reset, you now click on reset site. That with the place where he wrote, as you can see here, it says, are you sure you want to reset this site? It says reset WordPress and then cancel. Then all you have to do is just to click on reset WordPress. When you click on the reset WordPress, it will start resetting. Like as you can see here, it's now resetting. It's saying resetting in progress, please wait. So you have to wait for it to reset. You get, just give it some time, a little time for it to reset. You get, let's wait for it to reset. Most of the time it takes time to like load, but just wait. Give it few minutes to load. Give it few minutes to load. So I think my network is a little bit bad here, but let's just wait for some time. It's still loading. Okay, after it must have finished, as you can see, the stuff just finished setting down, and this is the home page here. This is the home page. Like, let's go back and see if what we did actually worked. Let's go back to the site and see if what we did actually worked. Okay, this is the site here. The site have reset back to its former, like its former look before you installed anything. Like everything will be reset. All you have to do, you have to go to your plugins, your theme, and start setting everything back the way it was by yourself. You go to like one after the other. As you can see here, is now like everything here is now one after the other. Let's check the site and see if what we did actually worked. Let's check the site. I believe you saw the one I showed you, the former look. Okay, this is how the site looks now. Everything has been wiped out. Everything has been reset completely. Like everything has just been cleared. You get, so you go back to your site. After this, you go back to your site. Okay, this place here is for if you are using the pro version of this WP reset. This WP reset has a pro version which you can still access. You can still access it the same way we access the free version. Just type reset in the box and then click on reset WordPress and delete all custom file. Why it's showing this is because I have not purchased the the premium version. You get, I'm just using this for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is the site now. As you can see, everything is now gone. Everything is now looking brand new. No more theme and the rest.